Welcome back to Wonder Motion. This is an inkjet printer. It turns digital files into real ink on paper. But how? Let's go inside. It starts when you click Print. Data pulses from your computer to the printer. Ones and zeros become commands. Paper feeds in. A roller grabs the top sheet and guides it inside. Sensors check its position. Precision matters. Meet the print head. It holds 4 ink colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK. Beneath it, hundreds of microscopic nozzles. The print head scans back and forth, faster than your eye can follow. Each pass prints one strip of your image. Through each nozzle, microscopic ink droplets fire, thousands per second, smaller than a human hair. After each pass, the paper advances exactly one line. Precise rollers move it into position for the next strip. Pass after pass, the image builds, colors blend, text sharpens, photos emerge. Finally, the finished page slides out. Digital becomes physical. Every day, printers turn ideas into memories, knowledge into reports, creativity into art, digital to physical. That's the magic. We're breaking it down next. Drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss it.